Now the keyboard in the middle is essentially a standard typewriter keyboard except for a few special keys out on the side. The computer knows it instantly when you hit one and makes an appropriate response. This device over here is unique to us, and we always have to justify and explain it. We'll do it in reverse order. We'll explain it first. It provides for you the one-hand equivalent of what you can do with a keyboard. There are 5 keys, and normally each finger sits on a key, and depressing any one key at a time produces a character. And any 2 keys at a time also. And in fact, any combination of depressing, of which there are 31 combinations. So Don soon learns and can type the message. It'll offer you a character. If I hit W, it'll say delete word. The arrow moves back and forth to give me feedback. My tracking spot changes. That gives me feedback. Now it tells me, since it's an arrow, that it's armed, I can do something. We get a lot of feedback. Let me restore a view like this to show you. This is more normally the way we work with feedback up here. Where here, I'm shown not working. That's an echo register that normally gives you the last 6 characters that you use. Oops, not working. All right. The last 6 characters, and left shifts continuously, so you can look up at any time and see what have I just struck. And that's very good feedback. Here are characters that show me the different viewing parameters, view specs. They get large at times at which I can hit single strokes that change those view parameters. And each of those means something to me, and their being large at particular times tells me I can hit very quick abbreviation for changing the view. So I can say, all right, I'd like to go to produce, but I'd like to go to produce, they get big. I'd like to say 1 branch only, and let me look just that low, and I see it. Oh, I can say, I'd like to see 1 line only. I can see it. So these ways I move around, the way I get feedback up here, the way I use both hands to coordinate to tell the computer what command and what short literals I want, are all carefully designed to go together to make the repertoire